It's pretty, it's powerful, and it's pink, and it gets the job done, ladies. It's a 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw. It's got a 21-volt battery platform for portable power. No cords, no hassle. Time for show and tell. Let's see what is in the box. The chainsaw body, pink work gloves, protective goggles, 3 chains, a charger, 2 rechargeable batteries, and a cleaning brush. If you're worried this is too much tool, don't worry. It's really built for beginners. It's even got a safety lock and a guard, and it's compact enough to maneuver where big saws really can't. This little pink power tool is linked below. Make sure you read the manual, wear your goggles and your little pink gloves, and let the cleanup glow up begin, my friends.